Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make coconut cookies. So for that, here are the ingredients. In this bowl I have taken around 10 tablespoons of flour. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of vegetable fat, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can use according to your taste. 5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. So let's start the process. In this bowl, I have taken the vegetable fat and the sugar and I beat this for nearly 5 minutes. So after beating for 5 minutes, I got this creamy and fluffy texture. To this, now I'm going to add the desiccated coconut, the flour, and the baking powder. So here I add the baking powder, and this I'm going to knead very thoroughly with my hand. In this way I kneaded the dough. You can see it has turned out to be so soft, isn't it? I kneaded the dough for nearly 5 minutes. I did not use any milk or water or egg. So with the ingredients that I have shown you before, with those only I kneaded the dough. So now let's start shaping the dough into desired cookies. I take 1 teaspoon of the dough and I'm going to shape this in between my 2 palms, giving a round shape like this. In this way I have shaped the cookie dough. Now our next step is, here in this plate I have taken around 6 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, and into this I am going to coat all the cookie dough one by one. And I'm going to keep this on our baking tray. In this way I have shaped all the cookie dough and coated with the desiccated coconut. I'm going to keep this in the fridge for around 10 minutes. After that only I'm going to bake. I've taken out the cookies from the fridge after keeping for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to bake this at 150 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So here it is, our coconut cookies. I took out from the oven just now. So once they cool down, I'll take out on a plate and show you how they have turned out to be. So here they are, our coconut cookies. I'm sure you'll try to make these cookies. Those who don't have oven, you can even bake on a gas stove also. In my last video, I have shown how to bake on a stove. So you can watch that and bake according to that. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching.